The next cut I'd like to share with you is a rolling or beading cut. This is a great cut to practice with a skew. It's a little bit more advanced. It takes a more complex movement. Not only are your legs going to be doing a movement, but your hips are going to be moving as well. You're going to be rolling the tool as you also swing the handle, as you also do the swan dive action. So now it's going to be 3 different biomechanical principles operating all at the same time. In practicing your beading or rolling cut, you're going to need to establish the boundaries on the left and the right. We'll turn between these boundaries, but to establish the boundaries, let's do a V cut. I've marked out my lines for my boundaries, and I'll cut a succession of beads. I'm going to use long point down V cut to score those features. It's a great warm-up for that knee movement or leg extensions. Now I'm going to use the short point down. When I do the short point down, I'm going to notice that the fibers come up a little bit different than when I did a long point down cut. You notice they're a more open straw. Again, I'll do the right hand side on my next feature, ending vertical with the edge. Gives me lots of control. When I end vertical, it tracks in that V groove and gives me lots of control. When you're practicing, practice all right hand side and then practice all left hand side. It'll give you repetition of motion. Now you may notice I'm trapping that short point into the V cut or into that V groove, and it tracks because it's going vertically. I can leave it at this, very simple open or shallow beads, or I could go very deep beads. If I go with a more pronounced bead or a deeper bead, I need to deepen the V cut to slice the fibers of the wood so the shaving ejects from the edge. If I want to keep it nice and shallow, that simple scoring of the fibers is all I need. You can see it's very, very, very clean detail. I'll make these first 2 a little bit more dramatic. So I'll take a deeper V cut, rescore the fibers. Notice I'm using long point down. And I'm coming in, since I practiced that V cut, I'm coming right into the same line that I originally scored. Short point down, rolling cut, ending vertical with the edge and perpendicular with the shank of the tool. This is a cut I'm going to sneak up on. Bevel and edge. Other side. Ending vertical. Right? Bevel, edge, that short point. It's a great one to practice picking up the cut. And notice I did a trapped ring on this one. For this cut, my body movement is feet apart, knees bent, tool handle down low so that the bevel is gliding on the wood for the entry of the cut. Roll the tool and lift my knees simultaneously and end in a vertical edge.